Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the device and launching the feature. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later, and the app you'll share supports screen sharing. This avoids compatibility hiccups. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth so pairing and audio routing work smoothly. Then open Control Center, swipe down from the top right. Locate screen mirroring or the Share Play option and tap it to reveal available receivers. This moves you from setup into the first actionable connection step. Now you'll select who sees your screen and set permissions. Tap the receiving device name or a contact offering Share Play. The iPhone negotiates a secure connection. If the app requests microphone or camera access for commentary, grant permissions so others hear you. Deny only if unnecessary. Once accepted, tap Start Broadcast or Share Screen. Make sure you see the green status bar or small icon indicating active sharing. This confirms the stream is live and lets you control when to stop without guessing. Finish by ending the broadcast cleanly and checking results. To stop, open Control Center and tap Stop Broadcast or use the in-app stop control. This prevents lingering streams. If viewers report audio dropouts or lag, make sure you're on a 5 GHz network, move closer to the router, or force close intensive background apps to free resources. If the connection never establishes, reboot the iPhone and the receiver, then retry. Often a simple restart clears transient network or permission errors and restores normal share.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.